video, I wanted to talk to you about a really great fall basic, a crew neck sweater. So the nice thing about having a crew neck that is so classic in your wardrobe is playing around with making it feel modern and fresh again. And when I say that, what I mean is sort of taking the really classic elements, sweater and basic pair of jeans, and how can you style that slightly differently so that it looks modern. So as you can see, I'm wearing the oatmeal colored crew neck with a boyfriend jean and a lace-up Oxford with a slight heel because I like a little bit of a height. It's a one-size-fits-all, I wanted to say that, and on me, because it just skims my body, it's super, super soft and comfortable. I wanted to note the knit is nice and tight. I feel like it looks kind of a little retro. There's a little bit of a 1950s feel in this kind of silhouette, but somebody who's smaller than me, the fact that this sweater will look a little bit oversized will be just as lovely. Now here I might want to add in, let's say, a pop of color, either having a dress shirt poking up through the collar of a dress shirt poking through, for instance. That's what I wanted to say. Or maybe a bright colored shoe that was still classic, a bright colored Oxford, or an Oxford with a nice big wedge to it. Another way to add in a little bit of something different is taking a Hermes silk scarf, similarly to what I've done here, but tying it in a different way. Doing it in this kerchief look that I love because I think this keeps it really modern, and it's nice to see a little bit of color in this outfit. Now, I would wear this just as easily with a black pencil skirt if I wanted to dress this up, and maybe a fishnet or a knitted stocking with a bit of a pattern on it, and then keep the same shoes, just to add that little bit of interest. I wanted you to see also this outfit, bringing in the sort of brown accessories that we love so much in the fall with this beautiful, rich ash gray color. I love this color because it's got a little bit of a brown undertone, almost even a bit of a khaki green undertone. I think it's so pretty. And here the scarf tied tightly to the neck, really, really classic looking. But then maybe for that unexpected element, I would add in, let's say, a white denim as opposed to a dark denim, or doing a bleached denim here or a ripped denim. I think that gives it something that's really different and again brings it to a modern look. Also, speaking of doing something that's kind of modern, taking a really classic loafer, for instance, and then adding in this element of a print. Really fun and different and keeps it really fresh. So I hope that was helpful. I hope that gave you some ideas and inspiration on how to take some of your basic pieces in your wardrobe and how to change them up for this fall season. So if it was helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up so I know you liked it. Comment down below, pass this along to a friend, and of course, as always, you can follow me on Facebook and on Instagram.